Let's look at the Smokin' Tex electric smoker. It's a 1400. Super low to the ground, and Smokin' Tex does make a cart for it. And I looked at it, and it doesn't seem very heavy gauge. I think it's I'm thinking it's like 240 bucks. And I saw an assembly video that it gave me anxiety just watching somebody put that together. So I looked around, and I've put a lot of stainless steel tables together, so I looked for one with casters. I just went on Amazon, and I'll put a link, but the tabletop's already there. Stainless steel. It's food grade. It's NSF rated, so you can use it in a restaurant if you wanted. But I already put the first section of legs on. There's another section of legs. Go underneath that, and you can put the undershelf at 3 different levels, and threaded insert in the bottom of those legs. You can put the casters in. All 4 of them, all 4 casters swivel. 2 of them lock. But look at the difference between Smokin' Tex's size casters and these. It's going to just roll over little rocks. So I took the wheels off of the smoker and placed it on the top half of that table. Now kind of got centered it around, and I'm feeling under there where the bolts are going to come through, and I'm going to have to measure that thickness and go grab some bolts and match up the hardware thread pitch. Looks like maybe a 3/8 16 there. Look at the thickness and washers. Drill some holes in the tabletop, and then secure that down to that section of the table. Put the bottom half on, and okay, see where we're at. I'm going to take a silver Sharpie and trace around the feet here. Doesn't necessarily have to be silver. I just happen to have one in the drawer. Okay. Then I'll take that table off, go corner to corner, find the center of that mark, drill my hole through the bottom, and then I'll mount the smoker. Okay, I need to get about 2 3/4 inch with washer. Get a good grip on it there. About 2 1/2, 2 3/4 inch bolt for those through bolts to replace the wheels on the smoker with just the mounting bolts for the top of the table. So I traced around the feet, took the smoker off and grabbed the straight edge, which is the first thing I could find. Find the center here. There we go. Start with a pilot. Looks like there's a framework that goes around the other side of the table, and looks like stainless wrapped around some MDF. Give it some structure, but that's okay. There's the MDF. Look at the underside here. There's a piece of angle to hold the leg in with the bolt, but then around this frame it was filled with MDF, but came out good. There's some burrs there. I'm gonna hit that with a sanding wheel, get those off of there, and then punch it with a 1/2 inch punch and straighten up the edges. Nice and round. Okay. Got our some hardware here to replace those small casters underneath from Smoke and Tex, which were a 10 1.5. And these are 3 inches. Those up there. Washer on there. All the way around. It's the last one. All lined up, no problem. Okay, now there's a shelf goes under the table with it's adjustable, and then the caster wheels will go there. You have 3 places to put it. I don't know. Just put it in the middle, and so make sure the feet are facing the underside of that. Casters on, and make sure that the locking ones are on the same side. Set it on its side and slide it in and put it back up. So there it is. Again, off of Amazon. I think it was 80 bucks. I'll show it, but it's perfect height now. You walk right up to it instead of going all the way down at your ankle level to check on things or season or whatever. Again, the casters are much better than what came with the grill. You can see the difference. These nylon. Throw them away. So we'll get some stainless cleaner, clean it up, and nice.